Heaven isn't always above the clouds. Sometimes it's hidden on earth, untouched, unreal, and unbelievably beautiful. Today, you won't just see places, you'll feel them. These aren't your everyday destinations. They are secret slices of paradise that will leave you questioning if Earth is the only world we know. Get ready to witness beauty so pure, it feels like Jannat. Lofoten Islands, Norway. Deep in the Arctic Circle lies a surreal escape most of the world has never seen. The Lofoten Islands. Imagine snow-covered peaks rising straight out of turquoise waters, sleepy fishing villages painted in bold reds, and skies dancing with the aurora borealis. It's a place where winter feels warm to the soul and silence speaks louder than words. Here, nature hasn't been tamed. It has been revered. Number 2. Socotra Island, Yemen. Off the coast of Yemen lies a land that looks like it belongs to another planet. Socotra, a name few know, yet once seen, never forgotten. With dragon blood trees reaching toward the sky like something from a fantasy novel, white sand beaches hugging turquoise waters, and a silence that feels sacred. It's a place untouched by time, forgotten by tourism, and preserved by mystery. This is Earth's strange miracle. Number 3. Palau, Micronesia. 500 islands stitched across the Pacific like a forgotten pearl necklace. This is Palau, home to jellyfish lakes, underwater caves, and coral gardens so colorful they rival dreams. There are places in Palau where you can swim with stingless jellyfish, float over rainbow reefs, and watch sunsets that melt into gold. It's not just a destination, it's an underwater utopia that defies reality. Number 4, Madeira, Portugal. Imagine a land where clouds rise from the valleys like smoke, where mountains pierce the skies and waterfalls slip silently through moss-covered cliffs. Welcome to Madeira, a Portuguese island where flowers bloom year-round, hiking trails disappear into clouds, and the Atlantic whispers ancient secrets. It's not a tourist hotspot, it's a sanctuary for the soul. Number 5, Seychelles. Seychelles is not just a beach. It's poetry written in turquoise and sand. Granite boulders rise from the shore like nature's sculptures. Palm trees sway like whispers, and the ocean glows with a blue so deep it feels holy. This is where you walk barefoot and feel rich. This is where Earth decided to show off, and you're lucky to witness it. Paradise isn't lost, it's just hidden, waiting for the brave, the curious, the dreamers like you. These 5 places are not travel spots, they're experiences of the divine. Tell us in the comments which one felt like heaven to you. And don't forget, the world is wider, wilder, and more wonderful than we ever imagined. Subscribe and let's discover it together, one dream at a time.